Now with impact windows, you have high impact laminated glass that was designed to resist heavy objects constantly hitting the glass without the glass actually failing. The impact windows are always there. You never have to put them up, take them down. If you're on vacation halfway across the world and a storm's coming, guess what you have to do? Nothing. The impact windows look just like regular windows, clean, modern, sleek. But one huge benefit is the amount of noise they're going to block from loud neighbors, landscapers on the weekend, parties late at night, dogs barking, sirens, or even just road noise. Your neighbor's car door slamming as they come in or out of their house late at night. Whatever it is, the impact windows are going to make a huge difference in regards to noise in your home. And a huge bonus is that they're energy efficient. We've had a lot of customers told us that their energy bill has decreased by as much as 30% on a monthly basis. That's huge savings that you can take advantage of. And last and most importantly, when it's time to resell, the impact windows are actually going to add value. A lot of home buyers in the industry today are looking for homes that already have impact windows. This is even true in your lower income areas. Home buyers these days are expecting to see impact windows, or they'll ask for a credit to upgrade to impact windows. So when you add it up, having impact windows is like increasing your home's armor and value permanently. So if you're thinking long-term protection, energy savings, and curb appeal, impact windows are the no-brainer upgrade. You want a free estimate, or you have some questions about impact windows in your home? Click the link in our bio to schedule a visit, and somebody from our team would love to help you. BigFoot Roofing and Windows, building trust, one roof, one window, one door at a time.